Hello friends, welcome to today's video. It has been quite a while since I made a tray, and I recently set up my Cricut Explorer Air 2. I had to look across the room to see what it was. Yeah, and so I wanted to try and use it today. So I think I want to do a white background with the tray, and then do silhouettes of butterflies that are like flying, you know, across the tray, and then do a clear top. I think that's what I want to do today. I'm gonna I'm not quite sure yet if I want to do the handles in clear or in white. I think possibly white, and then a clear top to them. I think that's what I might do for the handles. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. So you'll get to see the Cricut Explorer Air 2 do some cutting, which is always exciting. I actually don't know if you'll enjoy it, but I'm hoping you will. So yeah, without further ado and much a-babbling, let's get to it. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. So here's the thing. The black part in the center was poured like 4 weeks ago. I just hadn't really had a lot of extra resin to fill it up with. So I do have some overspill, as you can see the Let's Resin logo is there, but just like all things, it has come to an end. It's easily removed is what I'm saying. Okay, so let's just clean this up. And then to this, I also added, what did I do with it? Oh, I added some of these cat scrappiness black AB rainbow jewels. They're very, very pretty. So let's see how it looks. Ba-bam! All right. I think it's very cute. Yeah. I don't see anything really wrong with it. I think it's beautiful. But, yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think. That's your bonus unmolding. Alright, friends. It's cured. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get it out. Let's get it out of here. All right. What do you guys think? Ooh. What do y'all think? I love it. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. So, I'm really excited about it. I think it turned out fantastic. I think I'm going to use my silver liner around the edges and the top, just to kind of pop it, you know. And I don't know, I think it turned out fantastic. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know. All right, that was that's it. That's that unmolding. Anywho, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you enjoy stuff like this, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.